it. Everything is more or less should be perfect. There'll be some teething problems, but overall, it's there to support you. This is the machine. The first winding nano coating Magrav machine. The one on the left is the winding, and the one on the side you see two nozzles. These are the nano coating systems. Everything is made with the space. You don't need to reopen it to rewind it. The system is designed to meet what we need and what can be done adjusted. It makes about one coil of 144 every 40 odd seconds. So it's you decide what you want to make, the gap you want to make. You can make about 120 coils on an 8-hour shift. This is mainly for mass production. So on a 3 shift, you can make about 360 units per unit, per machine. And if you want to make 3000, you need 10 of them, and the price, which means that 7,500 euro, is literally very cheap. This is the computer side of it. It's all been built. It's handmade, and you can see how it does everything. And then when you coil it, then you can see the nano coating is precision. I think it would have been nice if you would have spoken. So you see the two sets is complete, and if you are a manufacturer, you can use Mac 3 with PC or laptop programming. As we said from the beginning, we support everything. Even if you want to buy mass copper, we can still be applied from the Iranian copper industry at the rates which you cannot buy in the market. So we are setting things up for manufacturing as much as everything else. This is for making the capacitors or the coils for the pens. The beauty of it is you can use a car battery to run it in where places there is no electricity. The machine you can use a car battery. Thank you very much, Jeff. It's a beautiful job what you've done. It goes everything for the GANs, when you make your GANs from GANs coating and everything else which is needed to dry it. So you can place your orders, and as we said, there is a production limit of about 2 a week. And so we tell you according when the delivery will be as you order. Is Jeff in the background?
Yeah, I didn't see him there.
I think he's asleep, or he's been working late. So you can go. Have you put a sale point on the website for the coil machine wins? Yeah, it's going to be boxed. Export point is Canada. You have to pay for the shipping, and the license, what they call it, for import taxes is your duty. It'll get shipped it'll be organized by Ella from Italy. And this is how it's going to be. The next step for us is, these are the technical, stop. It's the box of it. No, go down please, the other way, please. There it is. It says system dimension is 1000 by 400 by 300, length maximum 800, coils diameter 2 millimeter to 15 millimeter, and everything else is in there. Electrical control, supply 120 to 400 watt. Can run on a car battery, run on a PC, Mac 3 or a CNC control machine program. So you see everything is there, and we are slowly covering all aspects of the technology within the Keshe Foundation, and we promote people who do these kind of things. We made a part finance for this to start, and he's done a beautiful job. When you see this, it's taken him nearly 4 months to make it. And this is what we said, in time, this technology will create more jobs than man could ever imagine. And we're seeing it now. By the way, I have to congratulate the Keshe Foundation Manufacturing Italy for what you achieved yesterday. Keshe Foundation Manufacturing, as of yesterday, agreement has been reached. We move into a 6,000 square meter factory in north of Italy. We changing location. We were expecting it, now it's finalized yesterday, and I'm sure the factory will put out employment list that we would like to employ people with the Keshe Foundation knowledge with nano coating, that when you go into work, you have a job. The job is specifically for Italians. I mention again, the job, this factory work, is specifically at the moment for Italians. If you're Italian looking for a job, and you are well in nano coating, get in touch with Giovanni in the Keshe Foundation in Italy, italy.it, and he will organize for you to be interviewed by the factory. It's owned, this is the Italian direction, owned 51% by us, and the rest is with the Italian investors and who started the factory with us. We have, our managers has taken over early this month. So we're going into a full production, employing large number of people in Italy. I think Germans will follow us very soon. And I'm financing the same for Japan. Keshe Foundation Japan as a manufacturing will come into production very soon. What is important, and we cannot forget, is to thank people who are in the background doing so much so well. I thank the Italian community, very especially Giovanni and the Italian community in the south of Italy and north of Italy who supported us and support the Keshe Foundation. Please remember, from 1st of March, we open a plug on all the channels, KFSSI, Spaceship Institute, and keshefoundation.org. On the section of the teaching, you can sign in and register yourself to become a student in Italian and English at minimum donation of €100.